Here's another quick revision, hopefully no more than 4 minutes, so I'll carry on. Here's a Venn diagram. Write down the numbers that are in set P. Now that dash there means not in. So you're looking for all the numbers that are not in P. So here's P. So it's going to be 10, 14, 11, 13, 16, and 17. A number is chosen at random from the universal set. That's everything. Find the probability that this number is in the set P union Q. Now that means or. So we want to work out the probability that this number, whatever it is in the set P or Q. So with a probability, we're going to go for a fraction, and we need to know how many is there in total to get our denominator. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know it's going to be out of 9. So P or Q. So we're going to work on what's inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That's your answer. That's how you solve that question. Sophie drives a distance of 530 kilometres on a motorway in France. She pays 0.1 euros for every 10 kilometres she drives. Work out an estimate for the total amount that Sophie pays. Now this is key. I should have highlighted that, but I didn't. I'll pop that there. So an estimate is followed by this sign that looks like so. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to estimate everything, and we're going to estimate this first. So the distance of 513 kilometres is going to be at an estimate. We're obviously going to round down to 500. Next one is 0.81, which, as you know, is not going to be much difference because we're just going to round it down to one decimal place. That's 0.8 euro. Can't really do a euro sign. So now we've got the figures. We're going to do a bit of division. So we're going to do 500 divided by our 10 kilometres equals 50. So then with that 50, we're going to times it by our cost of 0.8. I'm going to divide this to 10, and I'm going to times this by 10 to sort out the decimals, and we've now got 5 times 8 equals 40. So we now know that the total amount she pays is estimated at 40 euro. Is your answer to part A an underestimate or an overestimate? Give your answers written down. So I'm going to put here it's an underestimate, as all the numbers have been rounded down. Or something along those lines. It's important to write it down because it does state, give a reason for your answer. So don't miss it, because it could be 1 mark, which is, 1 mark could be off your grade 9. Who knows? Okay, bye-bye.